Let me... There might be some parts I don't remember in the later part. Does this one have the music thing in the back? I don't know if I remember that part. I do like the way that it looks here. Do we get... I'll sing what I remember. And no more. As soon as I remember what it sounds like, you guys will hear me start to sing. Can't go back, but now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Why did I cover up the colors stuck inside my head? I should've let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. The song we couldn't write, this is what it sounds like. Shatter in the silence, rise of the fire. You're not alone. And we lost it. Because yeah, she wears fighters empire. Yeah. Oh, this part I know. I just didn't know when they started. All the view in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the light, this is what it sounds like. Why did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and let the jagged edges meet the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. And now they're busting it down on the runway. This is what it sounds like. And now they're doing a death drop into a duck walk. This is what it sounds like. Now they're backflipping into the splits. This is what it sounds like. And then now they're voguing on the runway at each other. This is what it sounds like. Broke into a million pieces and we can't go back. But now I'm seeing all the beauty in the broken glass. The scars are part of me, darkness and harmony. My voice without the lies, this is what it sounds like. Did we cover up the colors stuck inside our head? Get up and get the jagged edges, see the light instead. Show me what's underneath, I'll find your harmony. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. Without a light, this is what it sounds like. Fearless and undefined, this is what it sounds like. Without the road this time, our voices are combined. And darkness meet the light, this is what it sounds like. Instrumental outro. Emotional outro. I'm sorry, that was way more scuffed than I thought it would be.